Today in this video we are going to discuss why do we get hiccups, causes of hiccups, prevention of hiccups, can hiccups kill us, who are more likely to get hiccups. So without any delay, let's get started. Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups are caused by involuntary contraction of our diaphragm. The muscle that separates our chest from our abdomen plays an important role in breathing. This involuntary contraction causes our vocal cord to close very briefly, which produces the characteristic sound called hiccup. Hiccups indicate a serious problem. Some of the consequences like fatigue, weight loss, depression, problems of heart rhythm, and can lead to the death of weakened patient. Causes of hiccups: drinking too much of alcohol, eating too much, due to excitement or emotional stress, or sudden change in temperature. Prevention of hiccups: breathe into a paper bag, put your knees up to the chest and lean forward, sip ice cold water, swallow some granulated sugar, bite a lemon, or hold your breath for few seconds. Who are more likely to get hiccups? Men are more likely to get hiccups. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.